3D modeling used to take hours, sometimes days. Today, artificial intelligence can create real 3D models in minutes, sometimes seconds. In this video, I'll show you 3 powerful AI tools that are changing 3D forever. Let's start. Let's begin with Meshy AI. Meshy allows you to generate 3D models using text prompts or images. You simply describe the object you want and the AI creates it. For example, you can type something like a futuristic sci-fi rifle, high detail, game ready. And within seconds, Meshy generates a full 3D model. What makes Meshy powerful is speed. It's perfect for rapid prototyping, especially for indie game developers, designers, and creators who want to test ideas quickly. Meshy also supports textured models and common export formats, which means you can take the result directly into game engines or 3D software. Of course, it's not perfect. Some models still need cleanup, especially if you want professional level topology, but for ideas, concepts, and fast creation, Meshy AI is extremely impressive. Next, we have Tripo 3D. Tripo focuses on simplicity and speed. Instead of complex prompts, you can upload an image, and the AI turns it into a 3D model automatically. This makes Tripo ideal for beginners or creators who want instant results without learning complicated tools. The interface is clean, fast, and easy to understand. You upload your image, wait a moment, and your 3D model is ready. Tripo is especially useful for simple objects. Finally, we have Luma AI. And this one is different. Luma AI uses real-world scanning to create 3D models. Instead of text or a single image, you record a short video of an object using your phone. The AI then reconstructs that object in 3D using advanced NeRF technology. The result can be incredibly realistic, including lighting, reflections, and depth. Luma AI is perfect for real objects, environments, and cinematic scenes. Filmmakers, AR creators, and designers love it. However, it does require good lighting and careful movement while recording, and the models can be heavy if not optimized. Still, when it comes to realism, Luma AI is one of the most powerful tools available today.